Donor support impacts the health of people right here in our local communities in Central Virginia. Your gifts through our Centra Foundation help to provide quality care for everyone, regardless of ability to pay. Through the incredible generosity of donors, the Centra Foundation supports the important work of Centra and provides hope and healing for patients and local families. Gifts to the Greatest Need Fund are critical to this work. Your gifts help our not-for-profit healthcare system respond quickly to the greatest health needs of our community and enhance healthcare for all of us. Your generosity saves lives and improves health. Unrestricted donations provide critical funding for life-saving, state-of-the-art medical equipment, advances in technology and care, educational and healing programs, and health services for underserved local populations. Recently, your gifts have helped to provide ramps to help patients get in and out of their homes for care and other services for patients in need, a pilot program for remote home monitoring, training and education, including the Virginia Henderson Scholars Program to support clinical excellence, Virginia's first empath unit for patients facing an acute mental health crisis, the first robotic surgical system at Centra Lynchburg General Hospital, support for caregivers facing an acute unexpected need, patient assistance, and much more. Your generosity helps us close the gap to meet the enormous and complex healthcare needs of our communities. Your gifts help to provide excellent care for you, your family, your neighbors, and the over 500,000 people in our region who rely on our healthcare system.
I'm at Centra because last summer I was diagnosed with breast cancer and I stayed at the Dawson Inn, and it was just such a wonderful experience. I stayed over there so I didn't have to travel back and forth each day for the radiation treatments. It was tricky because I thought I was doing okay, and then when the cancer hit, there were so many expenses that you didn't really count on. It's just a miracle place.
The Virginia Henderson Scholars Program has significantly impacted my career. It allows you to kind of select what unit you want to experience and kind of try out. I have had so many mentors that have been able to support me, answer any questions, just extra support that has helped me to better fit in at Centra and take care of my patients.
Trying to be a preschool teacher, trying to keep up with my students, that was a lot. I was like, I just don't have a lot of energy. And then I'm like, my boys with football and sports, and when they train, I be wanting to get out there with them, but I barely can keep up. I would go home to my husband and be like, this cannot be life. Like, I have to change. Like, we got to do something. So Dr. Alley, he had a robot and he controlled it. And pretty much he went in. I had about 4 or 5 inserts put in. The same day, I think maybe a couple hours later, I was up walking around. I actually walked around the whole top floor that I was on in the hospital. So it was easy.
Thank you for making a local impact. Thank you for providing health, hope, and healing.
Thank you so very much. What a blessing you are.
I'm so thankful for the Virginia Henderson Scholars Programs. I would like to thank them for the opportunity they've allowed me to grow in my nursing profession, and the experiences that I've gained I couldn't have without their support.
Thank you, because now I have a healthy life and I'm just like a whole new person.